Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to set shipping on Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open your Shopify admin panel and go to settings and click on shipping and delivery, and here you will find this general shipping rates option. So you have to click on manage and shipping from. You can change your business location or store location from here. And shipping to, you can create new shipping zone by clicking here create shipping zone and enter your zone name and select countries and click on done. So here you can see I created a new shipping zone, and now we need to add rate for this shipping zone. So click on add rate and you can set up your own rates. Give here the rate name and select the shipping price, and you can also set a condition. So click on add condition and you can add condition based on item weight, based on order price, and then click on done. So here you can see I've successfully created a new shipping zone with a shipping rate. Then click on save, and this is how we can set shipping on Shopify. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.